Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a disappointing trading session. On Friday night, the GIF Nifty was indicating around 22,290 and today morning it fell. It was flat. Our market opened flat, then it was very volatile and the markets Bank Nifty fell 400 point, again shot up 400 point, again fell 400 point. It is within a range, but it was just too volatile. And this volatility is the nature for the last, the February series, entire series. HDFC Bank was the only stock that was trading in green in the first half of the session. In the second half of the session, that also came under severe selling pressure. And today, banking stocks fell, IT stocks fell, Reliance fell, it was like a broad-based selling. And Nifty down, next 50 down, mid cap down, small cap down, across the board selling. And Asian Paints fell today, that was because Grasim is entering into paints business now. And India VIX shot up more than 4%. So as I told you earlier, the India VIX will continue to rise. Usually ahead of the parliament election, VIX will cross 30. But right now it is still around 15, 16 only. So there is a long way to go. And that was expectedly, India VIX was higher. And today, everybody expected market to trade with a positive bias, but such a selling. And look at, for no reason, Infosys contributed the highest number of points on the downside. Infosys, TCS, Reliance, I was just trying to find out one single reason for this kind of a fall. Given the global cues, this fall is really, really disappointing. When I was trying to find the reason, I could find only one reason, but I choose not to tell you that reason. That's because, the BJP supporters will not be happy if I tell that reason. So again, it's just my guess only. It can be wrong also. So we don't know. So maybe something to do with Germany today. Right. So Nifty, it was struggling. Even the 22,100 was broken in Nifty future. And yeah, of course, Nifty spot also. If Nifty future breaks, Nifty spot will also break. So that was, really, really disappointing. But let us hope that 22,000 will be held on in this series. So just one day, the complete U-turn and from more bullish to slightly bearish. There was an unwinding in all the ITM put strikes like 22,200, 22,300 like that. Then there was an aggressive writing of call options. Even 22,100 call, which is slightly in the money, that is also seen aggressive writing. So let us hope that the markets take support around 22,000. The FII data is still not out, it's too early. I'm just recording it before I go home. And but global cues, they are okay. There is nothing wrong with the global cues. So let us hope that today this is a knee-jerk reaction for a YouTuber's video. So let us hope that market recover from tomorrow onwards. So that is the hope right now. And anyway, November and December, Nifty shot up 3,000 points. And now January and February, both the month it is just consolidating. Of course, it's consolidating with a positive bias, but it was too volatile. And March month is going to be even more interesting. And because less number of trading sessions, Election Commission will be announcing the dates of the elections and so on. So anyway, so this Saturday, I will come out with a video how to position yourself for this parliament election announcement. Parliament election will be in May, but the announcement will be in March. So So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.